We're going to take it from this drab to fab. Hi guys, how you guys doing? It's Synolve again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me on Patreon so that we can keep Black media going, so we can keep this going and the conversation going. Be sure to like me on Facebook and join me on Instagram and Twitter as well at Synolve. And take a look and hop on over to my website at synolve.com and join my newsletter so that we can stay connected. Okay? All right. So it's time for me to refresh my front door and my mailbox with flowers. Went to Lowe's and got some flowers the other day. And yes, it was essential. But I need to plant them. It's gonna rain tonight. It's kind of dark, so everybody, you can probably hear, is trying to like get their last lawn mowing in. I don't know if you can see that, but they're trying to do everything. And then I got some flowers up there for the front. Okay, let me not, my camera doesn't want to focus. It doesn't want to play right today. So I'm going to plant my flowers, my mailbox, and then let the rain, I got them sitting out here how I kind of want them, just like I did before, and then let the rain water them. So yeah, picked up these supplies. My ones from last year broke, but this is my front yard makeover refresh. Picked up these for like $2 or $3, my tools, and so that's what I'm going to be using. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it from drab to fab. I don't know if I have pictures of before and after, but let me see if I can show y'all before what that looks like. I think I have already on another video maybe, but just in case, because I know I didn't do this last year. And y'all, I'm gonna link the video from last year so you can see. Okay, so now it's off, and so we're taking it from this drab to fab. But it wasn't quite that easy, so I'm going to show you the process of what I did. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set everything down. So I'm not on camera, but set everything down. I got these for $1 from Lowe's, so you can see the mark through them and the yellow tag. And these are marigolds. I got 2 marigolds somewhere. It looks like some of my marigolds died from yesterday because I did not water them. I got pansies. Petunias. So these are petunias. They're also $1. I think I picked up some pansies by accident. More petunias, or maybe I didn't. These are snapdragons. Okay, I think I'll put them over here with the color. These are more petunias. I'll put the petunias together. They're in a pink. And I have some pansies. I did not mean to get pansies, but I did. But they'll come back to life. So these are pansies. And I'm probably going to put the purple at the back since I have so many of these coming into these. And then I have these, which are, let's see what these are. If I can get this up. Dollar tag up. These are Glitz Euphoria. So I'm going to plant these. What are these? These are annuals that'll come back and forth, but they're green. So I was trying to see if it's full shade. You know, you tell by the colors if it's full sun. The yellows are full sun at Lowe's. So all of these are yellow. I may have to plant this somewhere else because it's green. And I need to read it to see where it goes. But she said this would go in the sun. But right now I think I'm just going to plant these and be happy. So use my big old tools and just pop them out and be happy. I think, you know, getting them from Lowe's when they're $1 is just awesome. So, but I did not plant them yesterday, and I should have. So I should have watered them too, but I thought that they were watered before I left, so I wasn't worried about watering them. So, but that's my fault. So I'm just planting, and this is pretty peaceful. This one is dead, but I'm still going to plant it. It might come up, might not. Who knows? And not to waste any dirt, I'm just going to prop those down. Alright, so that's that. And so these are the petunias, which, yeah, these are good for sun and for the summer, because sometimes you buy plants and they're just not, you wonder why they die, and it's just because we don't look before. I didn't look before I bought some last year, and then they died, and I was really upset. So yeah, you want to get these if you're getting them from Lowe's. With the yellow, says full sun. They're on clearance. They're $1. So look all the way at the back of the flowers store, and you'll see them. I'm just gonna dump these out. Ants everywhere. Anyway, so let's continue planting, y'all. Soil is pretty loose, so that's good. And hubby built this box, so yeah, happy about that. Okay, so they're all planted, and now I just need to water them. So they're all planted, and now I just need to water. Pretty, huh? It's pretty already. Okay, so this is the box that hubby built that goes my mailbox, and so I could have all wood boxes, and he built this last year sorry, last summer, and so now we can use it this summer and I don't have to buy anything new. I had to get some water, y'all, because I'm choking. I don't know what got in my throat. So alright, now we don't have to get anything new because we already have this box that's going to last us quite a while. So alright, on to the flower bed. So we're going to go up, and hubby's coming now. He's been talking to our neighbor. So y'all see handsome hubby? Here he is. Love my baby. Alright, so he built all these boxes, and so oh, neighbors. Hello. Those are pretty doggies. So now we're gonna come up and put flowers up front.